cosine squared or cosine.
Next year, many current juniors have the option to take either Calculus AB or Calculus BC. Mr. Carrion and Coach Addo gave some insight on the difference between courses for students who don't know the right course for them.
If you're taking those courses, it means that you want to challenge yourself mathematically. So it's expected that you're responsible in your task. It's expected that you're prepared before you come to class, and it's also expected that you find your own personal time to make sure that you study.
If you take Calculus AB, that is equivalent to one semester of college calculus. We will be covering the same materials that I will in college, but a slower pace, giving you opportunity and time to really grasp the material. BC, it's equivalent to 2 semesters of college calculus. That means that we are moving at the exact same speed as a college student. Because it is an AP class, we have a little bit less time than a college student because I have to get you ready for the AP exam. You need to make sure that when you're building your schedule, you have time. Because if you don't, you're not going to be able to get enough practice for my class. And the way that you get practice for my class is through homework. Average, a student should spend on my class per night about an hour and a half to 2 hours doing their homework for calculus.
You should know functions, you should know how to manipulate functions, you should know how to solve equations without the calculator, you should know how to graph. So you just have to make sure that whatever you did in Algebra 2, you don't forget it, and then whatever you're doing in Pre-AP, Pre-Cal, you don't forget that also.
I believe that this subject you just need to practice, and the more practice you have, the better you're going to get.
When considering your courses for next year, not only do you need to think about your electives, but some of your core classes as well. For this special report, I'm Carly Roth for Open Den.